Namaskar. Welcome back to the example number 3 for the event professional prospects. In this video, we are going to study on the another event in respect to the example number 3 native. This video is called the example 3C. The event is job promotion. In the previous video, we had a discussion on the transfer, and prior to that, we had discussion on the date of joining the job and also change in career. So now in this C video, we are going to analyze on the promotion. Example number 3C, job promotion. Same example 3, we are going to now study on the promotion. This is the birth chart of that example number 3. So now in this video, we are going to study on the job promotion. So I already selected the event job promotion. So let us go and check the self-signification of all planets and check which are the planets are favorable for job promotions. We need not give colors to all the planets. We can select only the planet which are all favorable for such promotion. We will check. So Ketu 4 it is not that much favorable. Which are the favorable? What are the houses required for the promotion? Lagna, 6th house, 10th house, 11th house. These are all the important houses. Along with that, 3rd house and 5th house are all can join hands to make that promotion along with some changes. So importantly, role of Lagna and 6th house, 10th house, 11th house, we can take it. Mars is Lagna Lord, 4, 2, 6, 6, 11, 11, it is good only, but along with that some obstacles. So, but 8th house and 12th house. So, for promotion, we can take Mars is supportive, but with obstacles. So, let us give light green. And Rahu is 10, 11, but 2, 5, and 8, it is not good for the promotion. But Jupiter's 9th Lord, 12th Lord occupying 6th house, and 3 and 7 cuspal star Lord. So this is supportive for some change, but not strongly it is supportive for promotion. But still, Jupiter, we can take it as a mixed one. And Saturn, yes, 10, 11, 1, 3, and 9. It is very good for the promotion. So Saturn. And Mercury planet. Mercury is 3, 6, and 5. 4, 8, 12 star Lord, some weakness, obstacles are there, but 3, 6, and 10 cuspal sub Lord, this group's 3rd house, 6th house, 5, and 10 is supportive. So we can make Mercury also favorable. So you can see this Mercury, Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, and Mars. Also we have Rahu, we have not given because Rahu is having some weakness. And so these 4 planets are favorable. And Sun and Venus are all supportive. So let us go only with the favorable key planets that we already selected. So let me save this one and let us go to the home page and check the planets, Dasa period, and also the Dasa Bhukti, in which period the native favor for the promotion. Now let us go to the home page. Now the colors have been assigned, and job promotion. So we have to check that Dasa Lord first, whether Dasa Lord is supportive for the job promotion. Destiny itself is supportive, that we have to check. A destiny planet itself, we can see Mercury, sublord is Saturn, is very good. And as we are aware that favorable key planets, if they are all present in supports, we have to consider. And there are 2 free planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury, all are free planets. So definitely their role will be in supports. So we can see that Mercury planet itself and Sun planet has got the Saturn, and Saturn is forming rodal link to Sun also. So that way, the Solar is supportive, right? And in the, sorry, not the Solar, destiny planet. Look at the Dasa Lord. Dasa Lord is Rahu. Rahu having got some weakness, but Rahu represents Saturn is very good, and Saturn is favorable, and sublord is Jupiter. Being Saturn is a free planet, it is important. right? So though it is second planet, it is a free planet, it is important. And Rahu also having got grouping along with some weakness. Sublord is Jupiter. Jupiter is a mixed one. Jupiter is forming ruler link to all the other planets that already we discussed. And so in Rahu, which is the favorable key planet, Saturn, and then comes the Jupiter, right? Jupiter is only not very strong. Only Saturn is strongly favorable for the promotion. So during that Rahu Dasa, which Buddhi is strong enough for the promotion? Since you can see whether Dasa Lord itself is strong enough to favor Dasa Lord, having that Saturn only as the second planet. But all the rulers are ruled by, Rahu, which has got some weakness, not very strong. Sublord is Jupiter is fine because of this one. Still, this grouping is not strong enough. Under Rahu Dasa, it is not strong enough for the promotion. Next comes the Jupiter Dasa. In Jupiter Dasa, Jupiter is supportive with mixed one. Similar to that Rahu, Jupiter in the star and 2A level is Rahu representing Saturn. What is the difference between Jupiter and Rahu? Jupiter is supportive and star level planet Rahu representing Saturn, that Jupiter is aspecting to the Saturn, or Saturn is giving influence to the Jupiter. So Jupiter is aspected by Saturn. So that way Jupiter-Saturn combination is present here. In addition to that, I already discussed Jupiter's sub-sublord. Sub-sublord of the Jupiter is Mercury. That already we saw. Anyway, let me show that. Look at the sub-sublord of the Jupiter. Jupiter's sub-sublord is Mercury. So because Mercury is a free planet and sub-sublord of the Jupiter is Mercury, so definitely Mercury Dasa is comparatively better than the Rahu Dasa. So that Jupiter Dasa is comparatively better than Rahu Dasa for the promotion. So because Jupiter having got Saturn and Jupiter itself is playing role again and getting a ruler link from the Saturn, and sub-sublord is Mercury. So in Jupiter Dasa, which is the favorable key planet, is supportive for the Jupiter, obviously Saturn, because Saturn not only it is acting as the second planet for the star lord, but Jupiter is aspected by the Saturn. So Jupiter is here and Saturn is aspecting to the Jupiter, and Jupiter is aspecting to Rahu also. So in Jupiter, next comes the Saturn Buddhi. Saturn is good, but star level is supportive and sublord again Rahu has come. So it is supportive. This period is indicating some supportive significations, but because of the sublord is Rahu, that is not very strong. It is not much supportive. During that Saturn Buddhi, he was having some sort of progress, but not stable. But he did not get any promotion during that Saturn Buddhi. After that, he was running the Mercury Buddhi. So look at the Mercury Buddhi. Mercury itself is good. Star level Sun is fine. And sub level is Saturn. Mercury and Saturn both are playing. In Jupiter Dasa, favorable key planet is Mercury and Saturn. Both are playing role at the primary levels and also forming ruler link. So because of that, Jupiter Dasa, Mercury Buddhi, it was running from 2012 onwards. He was, that period was very good for him for a good promotion, and promotion like progress he started facing from as soon as Mercury started. In Mercury Buddhi, in one antra, he got a very good promotion as as the, what do you call, as the head of the marketing department. So in which period, which is a favorable key planet making that Mercury favorable? Saturn, right? In that period, in Mercury Buddhi, during the Saturn antra, because Saturn as the Buddhi law did not favor, because Saturn is not, sub-level is not good, star level is fine, but sub-level is not very good because it got some weakness, right? But in Mercury has given the green signal. Under Mercury, Saturn has come as, Saturn is a good key planet, star level is supportive. Saturn is forming ruler into the other levels also. So under Mercury, Buddhi, strong Buddhi, Saturn Antra is supportive. It's supported for the that promotion. It's a notable promotion because you can see 10, 11, 1. These grouping are very good. You can see these grouping are very good for the promotion. You can see the Saturn is not playing role for all other planets as the star level or sub level. Because of that, did not favor. So during that Jupiter Dasa, Mercury Bugdi and Saturn Antra, he got promoted as the head of the marketing department, especially in the month of May 2014. During that period, Jupiter, Mercury, and Saturn Antra, he got the promotion. So the favorable key planet of the Dasa Lord is connected to the Bugdi Lord, and Antra Lord is connecting to the favorable key planet of the Bugdi Lord. Correct. So that way, that key planet's role is important. That I think we're able to understand. So we have studied this promotion period with the help of the EPS tables. The same event of the promotion, let us now study with the help of the PILT table. Let me take you to the PILT table now. Now we are on the PILT page, and let me open that significators and let it keep it open. And we know what are the favorable key planets, that is Saturn, Mercury, and Jupiter is supportive, and Mars. So Mars is also supportive, but Mars alone is not favorable, but importantly, Saturn and Mercury are important. So let us let us select those planets. Which are the planets, favorable key planets? Mercury and Saturn, Jupiter, and Mars. So these 4 planets only I have selected. Let us check their role in the PILT table, their significations, which are the planets are getting their support. So the Lord is Rahu. Rahu, whether it is having that influence of the favorable key planets, Rahu is good. Sublevel is Jupiter is favorable, but as I said, Rahu have got some weakness. It is not very good. And whereas Jupiter is supportive, and sublord also Jupiter, having got all other key planet, and sub-sublord is Mercury. It is already present as I already discussed. So Jupiter is comparatively better than the Rahu, right? So here in Jupiter Bukti, the Dasa, which Bukti is favorable? So we have to see that which Bukti is favorable in the Jupiter Dasa. In the Jupiter Dasa, which are the favorable key planet? Saturn, so strongly playing. Saturn, Mars also supportive, and Mercury. Saturn and Mercury are the strong favorable key planet in the Jupiter. So there is the green color planet. So in that, Saturn Bukti is coming, Mercury Bukti is coming. Mercury is having both Mercury and Saturn and also forming roller links. That is good. So because of that, Mars also playing role. Because of that, in Jupiter Dasa, Mercury Bukti is stronger. In prior to that, Saturn Bukti was running. Saturn is fine only, but it is having Saturn also, but that Mercury role is not there. And as we are aware, Rahu has got the 5 and 8 cuspal sublord significator. It has got some weakness. Because of that, during Jupiter Dasa, Saturn Bukti did not favor, but Mercury Bukti it was favoring. Under Mercury Bukti, which is the favorable key planet, importantly Saturn and Mercury. That Saturn is playing role here. So because of that, and Mercury Bukti, Saturn, Antra it was favoring. No other planet are having got such grouping that to level-wise study. So because of that, Jupiter Dasa, Mercury Bukti, Saturn, Antra. As soon as Mercury started, this got very good grouping, supportive for his progress. In Mercury Bukti, when that key planet Saturn itself is playing role as the Antra and also passing its ruler link to the other levels, it is strong enough to act as the Antra to execute the promotion under the Mercury Bukti. I think we're able to understand. So he got the promotion during that Jupiter Dasa, Mercury Bukti, and Saturn Antra. After that, there is no other promotion. I think we're able to understand. So with the help of the key planets, how we are able to identify with the EPS tables and also in PILT tables. Finding the key planets is important, and looking at the key planet strength and their influence in the Dasa Lord and Bugdi Lord and by way of rulers are also importantly in supports. Especially if the key planets are all free planets, we need to be very careful. So we'll meet in the next video with another event of the same example. Good luck.